Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix the Monster Hunter Now error 6-4. So first, we're going to discuss the reasons behind the Monster Hunter Now error. First is your internet connection issues. One of the predominant causes of the Monster Hunter Now error 6-4 is your internet connectivity problem because Monster Hunter requires a stable and connection to offer an uninterrupted gaming experience. So when there is instability or your connection is weak, this error is likely to manifest, hindering the gameplay. Next is the server overload. Another significant reason is server overload. When numerous players are accessing the game simultaneously, the servers might fail to accommodate the influx, resulting in a distressing error. Server issues often need time and patience, as they are usually resolved by the game's developers. And also the software glitches. Software glitches within the game can also trigger the Monster Hunter Now error 6-4. These are the unforeseen coding errors that interfere with the game's normal functioning. They may occur due to bugs in the game's code or compatibility issues with the gaming platform. So here's how to fix the Monster Hunter Now error 6-4. First is to verify and stabilize your internet connection. Because when dealing with the Monster Hunter Now R6-4, the initial or often the most crucial step is to inspect and stabilize your internet connection. So first is to check your connection status. Start by examining the status of your connection. Ensure that you're properly connected to the internet and there's no intermittent loss of connection. Step 2 is to restart the router or the modem. If there seems to be a connection problem, the next step is to restart your router or modem. Unplug the power cable from the device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow the device a couple of minutes to reinitialize, and then check if the game connects without the error. Step 3. Perform a speed test. Once the connection is reestablished, perform a speed test. Several online tools are available to check your internet speed. This will help you ascertain whether your internet speed is adequate for gaming requirements. Step 4 is to contact your internet server provider. If your internet is still unstable after starting the router modem, contact your internet service provider. They can provide information on any ongoing outages or disruptions. For step number 5, use the Ethernet connection. For a more stable connection, consider using an Ethernet to connect your gaming device directly to the router. This direct connection is usually more stable and faster compared to a wireless connection, potentially eliminating connectivity related errors. And for the step 6, disable your VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it and try connecting to the game directly. Sometimes VPNs can cause connectivity issues, and disabling them can resolve the error. And if you need more information about more guides or about more solutions on how to fix a problem, you can visit this website. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.